There's always going to be a point, no matter in any relationship, business, any serious endeavor you reach, there's always a honeymoon period at the beginning until you reach a point where, okay, this needs to get serious now. And that'll happen everywhere you go.
Yes.
Money is probably the number one biggest conflict that two sides will face no matter where you go. And that's why context is so important. If there's someone who is a high value customer, I want to know this guy, I want to have a working relationship with this person for the next several years, like a longer term, do never ever let some short term petty fights. I give you $5, $10, he got $20 off. Then you're fighting at the beginning over some petty, and that sets a tone because those principles, they remember. These are very important negotiations. They'll remember how you conducted those negotiations. Okay, this guy's very stingy.